A while back, Gene and I went out in the RV on a beautiful day to shoot some video with our GoPro cameras. We had just brought a brand new, expensive mount and were eager to give it a try, shooting video from the back of the cockpit. But when we looked at the video we recorded later, the video looked like a chihuahua in wintertime, vibrating like crazy, making the video unusable. Now I think we've found a solution to the vibration problem and would like to share it with you. The first thing we did was get this old Ram suction mount and remove the rubber ball that was attached to it, but kept the screws. When you buy a GoPro camera, it comes with a mount inside the box. Most people throw this thing away, but I found it really useful for other applications. I removed some of the excess plastic around the mount and drilled a couple of holes in it to match the holes in the suction mount. Then I used the screws from the old rubber ball mount to attach the mounting plate to the suction mount. This is what GoPro calls a quick release buckle. It holds the GoPro in place with a mounting screw. Next comes an important part, the rubber locking plug. This plug serves two purposes, one to keep the GoPro locked in place and the other to prevent excess vibration. The mounting screw is inserted into the loop of the rubber locking plug and then into the mounting plate and GoPro frame. You may notice that the camera is mounted off-center on the suction mount. This was done to keep the camera centered in the RV, as you will see in the following footage. Now it's time for Gene to give it a try in the RV.
It's blinking. Yep, I have it.
Okay. And as you saw in the last video, Gene turned it on but did not start it recording.
Continue runway 18. Continue to runway 18, 501 McKinney Tower, or McKinney Ground, November 247 Delta Echo at the south ramp, ready for taxi and a north departure. Sperma 247 Delta Echo, you're at McKinney Control Tower. That's okay, Gene. Runway 18, taxi, Bravo 4 Bravo. Wind is 160 at 17 gust 23, altimeter 3020. Thank you, Brian. It's Bravo 4 Bravo to 18, and next time I'll be on ground. Yeah. Canopy latched.
Yep.
Safety latch.
Well, it looks like we solved the vibration problem in the rear camera. Thanks for watching this video from the HD Pilot. We would like to invite you to visit our website at www.thehdpilot.com and subscribe to receive future GoPro and DSLR tips and tricks. Also, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel.